Yeah, yes, of course, I'm ready. I'm prepared. I have still some tests to make in my knee, but I think I will start now already with the team. So I can't wait to start with the team and to join Crystal Palace in the right back. It's not, it's one complicated surgery. It's not so simple like the people think. I'm not happy for the situation with my body and with me, but it's the normal process of the surgery. I get crazy, I get without patience, I can't see, like I say, I can't wait to start to play, you know. It's a long rehabilitation. It's normal, it's a long rehabilitation, and it's difficult, it's not simple, it's difficult. But I'm better and better, and this month I will start with the team. A lot. I miss handball. I miss to be with the team. I miss, I don't know, I never played here with the Vardar T-shirt, so I can't wait the time to use my T-shirt and to see the fans and to be on the court with this amazing field, with amazing atmosphere here in the field. Yes, we are together all the time. I come here to see the trainings also, to make my individual workouts. So I'm with the teammates outside also. It's not so much because I'm focused on my knee. The most important is my knee. Also, if I make a good recovery for my knee, that I did, it will be better for when I come back to help the team. The challenge they are really difficult. Doesn't matter if it's Seha League, if it's Champions League, if it's the league. It's really difficult. Every game you should see like a final. So easy, it won't be easy. But this is the nice thing, to be difficult every time and to give you 100% every time. Cheering. Oh, okay, Macedonia, and Spain, because the coach from Brazil, he was from Brazil, Jordan. Now he's from Spain, so I go with him. Bravo, bravo, corredor.